Alright, here we are again. Trying to see if we can catch more lightning strikes. Well, it looks like it's freaking clearing up. I hear the fire alarm. Or the fire whistle. Crap, it's about being near 10 o'clock. I checked my watch too. Just don't point it at me, man. Or I won't then. Yeah, if we don't want to miss another big ass lightning strike, then we gotta make this count. We gotta make it count. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's kind of boring. Oh crap. Crap! What the hell's wrong? I'm mad now. I'm really getting mad. Because I keep missing. You always go in the opposite direction where I'm filming. This thing has a damn 10-minute limit, which I think is stupid. And my other camera, I don't have the other battery for it. I don't have the charger. I had to order one. I have to wait now for I don't know how long, but I'm gonna have that with me, but nope. What the hell was that? I have no idea. Looks like they canceled their party. Those other people making that damn ruckus. Yeah. Should I go out and see if it's gonna happen anywhere in any other direction? I guess so. I'm sorry if this might seem a waste of time to you guys, but I'm really trying to see if I can catch a lightning strike over in this direction. I heard something, but I know there's a thunder. Well, what the hell are you doing, Mario? Trying to see if I can touch another lightning strike. There might not be one happening. It may not be happening, but I would get the hell out. Why? Because, man. Because, you can still get struck. It's just moving away, I know, but you gotta have your head down. Look, Mario. You can't see my face, I know. But you can't. Don't do this crap. I have to see if I can catch the most lightning. Uh-oh. Here, I have to turn this off. I'll see ya.